Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing the steps to writing a cover letter for Glassdoor applications. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. First of all, we have the community where we have some posts that are here posted. So basically from other people, or we can click on the left side on the post button and click there. We have jobs where we can go and search for some jobs. So you can find your perfect job here, put the location, the job name, and search for some jobs here. We have companies where you can find a workplace that works for you. So this is a new feature. If you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company by typing the company name here and clicking on the search button. Also, we have the salaries, where you can see, are you paid fairly? Find out by basically putting your job title and the location of job and clicking on the search button. Also in the top right corner, we have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But guys, now let's see how to the steps to writing a cover letter for Glassdoor applications. So basically, you need to start with a professional header, include a standout greeting, then write a noteworthy opening paragraph, follow with the middle paragraph, then finish with a proper closing paragraph, add the postscript, and end with a professional sign-off. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.